Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to AI Unleashed. Today, we're embarking on an electrifying journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover some mind-boggling secrets that AI has been hiding in plain sight. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive deep into the secrets of AI. Did you know that AI has a learning journey? It's not just about processing data, it's about evolving and adapting. We're peeling back the layers to reveal how AI machines learn from experiences and continuously improve. It's like witnessing the birth of digital intelligence. Hold on to your seats because here's a mind-bending secret, the quantum leap of AI. Quantum computing is propelling AI into a new era of possibilities. We're demystifying the complexities and exploring how quantum algorithms are revolutionizing the way AI processes information. It's like science fiction turned reality. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover AI's artistic side. Did you know that AI is now creating stunning pieces of art and composing music? We're delving into the creative realms of artificial intelligence, showcasing how it's pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines were capable of. It's a digital renaissance. But wait, there's a dark side too. We're lifting the curtain on the secrets of AI that pose potential threats. From deepfakes to cybersecurity vulnerabilities, AI has a shadowy side that needs to be explored. It's not all rainbows and unicorns. There are some digital storm clouds on the horizon. Get ready to be intrigued as we talk about the rise of super-intelligent AI. We're decoding the mysteries surrounding the concept of AI surpassing human intelligence. What does the future hold? Are we on the brink of a new era dominated by machines? Join us as we unravel the secrets of superintelligence. And there you have it, folks, a sneak peek into the hidden secrets of AI that will leave you questioning the boundaries of technology. If you enjoyed this mind-bending journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and of course, subscribe for more revelations. Until next time, stay curious, stay fascinated, and keep exploring the secrets of the digital realm with AI Unleashed.